Hi everyone, I just finished my workout for today. As you can see, I am not in LA today. I am in beautiful Big Bear at this incredible Airbnb. And I just couldn't resist. It's such a beautiful day. I couldn't resist doing my workout outdoors today on these beautiful grounds. So if you want to do this workout right along with me, I'm not going to go over all of the exercises because they're all really self-explanatory, simple, basic body weight exercises. The only thing you're going to need if you want to do the workout with me is something sturdy that you can stand on that will hold your entire body weight. A plyo box would be ideal. If you don't have a plyo box, a strong, sturdy chair will work. I'm just using this step behind me. I think you can see it. Okay. If not, you'll see in a minute. So I'm not going to go over the exercises. You'll see as we're going through it that they're all very simple, very basic. So if you want to do this workout right along with me, make sure you have something sturdy that will hold your entire body weight. Take a couple of minutes to get good and warmed up, get ready, and let's go. Now 10 reps on the other leg. So this time stepping up with this leg, step up, jump up, reverse lunge. That's one. Step, jump, lunge. That's two. That's 10. Now back to bunny hops. Each hop counts as one rep and we're going to 20. Here we go. That's 20. Now I'm going to do push-ups. One push-up plus a double knee tuck is one rep. If you want to increase the challenge and it's feasible for where you are, you can elevate your feet instead of your hands. I'm going to elevate my hands. Here we go. 20. Now quickly another 20 bunny hops, and then we're on to our last exercise of the circuit. So 20 reps of bunny hops, here we go. Struggle on these, I think, because this is actually kind of low, so I'm just going to do my best, but I'm doing pistol squats. I'm going to do one pistol squat right into a side lunge. It's a little tight here. I've got shrubbery I'm going to be lunging into, but I'm going to make it work. So it's going to be a pistol squat up and then right into a side lunge. So this leg is my standing leg. I'm going to lunge this way. That's 1 rep. We're going to do 10 on each leg. Okay, so that's 1. Here we go. Last one. Now I'm going to switch legs. Let's see. I might have to take a step forward before I do my lunge. Let's see. So, other leg. Pistol squat. Side lunge. I just have to yeah, I can make it work. All right, I'm counting that as my first rep because these are so tough. I don't want to do any more than I have to. If you're ahead of me, that's everything. This is the last exercise in the circuit. We're doing 3 rounds, so just start again. Don't wait for me. Start with your bunny hops into your step ups, reverse lunge. Just do everything again 2 more times, all right? I have to do 9 more reps of these pistol squats on my left leg. Here we go. That's 10. So that's round 1. We have to do 2 more rounds. I'm gonna try to talk less, maybe not talk at all, hopefully, and just pick up the pace. So let's do 2 more rounds and then we're all done. Here we go, starting with 20 bunny hops. 20. Step up, jump up, reverse lunge. 10 reps on each side. That's 10. If you don't need the rest, don't rest. I just need a few seconds. Okay, 10 on the other leg. Four more. That's 10. Back to bunny hops, 20 reps. 10. I'm struggling a lot in this altitude. I'm doing my best. Okay. Hand elevated push-ups, the double knee tuck, 20 reps. 20 more quick bunny hops. And then we're on to our last exercise. Okay, we're almost done with this second round. Let's keep pushing. 20 bunny hops. 10. And 20. Last exercise. That's 5. You can see that I'm having to tap my foot down just a little to help myself up because I'm so fatigued, but it's okay if you have to do that. Just use your non-standing leg as little as possible to help you up. And if you're able to do it without tapping that heel down, that's what we're going for. The first round I was able to do it, this round I'm not. Okay, 5 more reps on this leg, let's go. 6. 7. 8. 9. Last one. And 10. I'm even cheating a little, pressing my hand into this leg as I'm standing, just because I'm getting so fatigued. But it's better not to do that if you can help it, but even if you're having to do that, it's fine. You're still working hard. You're still getting a great workout, so just do your best. Okay, these I have to kind of do my lunge at an angle. Okay, here we go. Other leg, 10 reps. Five more. 6. 7. 8. 'Kay. I think I'm on rep 9. I got to do 2 more. I'm not counting that one, obviously, because I fell into the bushes. Okay, I think I have 2 more. 9. Now I'm questioning my count, so I'm going to do 1 more on this leg, just to make sure it's my weaker leg anyway, so I definitely don't want to short my reps on the left side, but if I end up doing one extra rep on the left side, that's fine. Okay, we're already over 20 minutes in, so let's try to finish in under 30 minutes. We just have one round left. So starting again with bunny hops. As soon as you're ready, here we go. Step up, jump up. Reverse lunge. 10 on each leg. Here we go. That's 10. Just have to switch legs. Okay, 10 reps. On the other leg, come on. Okay, we're all done with those. Next is another 20 bunny hops. Next is our hand elevated or foot elevated if you want push-ups, the double knee tuck, 20 reps. I'm so fatigued. I'm doing my best, but probably gonna have to just do 4 little mini sets of 5 just to get through them. Do whatever you have to do to get the reps done. Okay, here we go. seconds or so, but I'm not counting, so who knows. All right, here we go. 15. Just 5 more. Here we go. Last 5. 16. 17. 18. 19. And that's 20. Okay, on to our final set of bunny hops. And then we just have to finish off with our pistol squats, do our bonus burpee, and we're all done. All right, bunny hops, come on, here we go. Okay, last exercise. All I want to do is just sit down. Okay, it's just 10 reps on each leg. Let's just get these done. Oh, these bugs. They like the sweat, so they're all over me. Here we go. Another thing I'm struggling with as I get so fatigued is controlling the movement on the way down. So I'm still counting those reps, but try to be mindful that you're not just plopping down and just letting gravity take you down, but that you're engaging all of the muscles in your standing legs and your glutes and controlling that movement on the way down. Okay? So 5 more on this leg. So control like that. Press into that heel. Side lunge, that's 6. 7. 8. 9, last one. Okay, well, we didn't make our goal of 30 minutes. I'm at 30 minutes and 20 seconds, and I still have, it's gonna take me about a minute or so to finish up these last 10 reps, so it's okay. Just doing my best. Let's get these last 10 reps done, and then our bonus burpee, and we're all done. Here we go. 1. 2. 3. 4. one. And 10. 32 minutes and 10 seconds. So I missed my goal of 30 minutes, but it's fine because I worked hard. It was a great workout, and it was a challenging workout. I think even back in LA, this one would have challenged me, but especially up here, like I said, I'll have to look at the exact elevation, but it's 7,000 something. We're up there pretty high. The air is thin, and so I'm not used to it. It makes it a lot more challenging for me, but I closed my exercise ring, and it was a great workout, and I just could never complain about getting to work out with these beautiful surroundings. I mean, this is just gorgeous. Got all up close and personal with this tree shrub thing. So all right, we just have to do our bonus burpee and then we are officially finished. I kind of want to do a box jump burpee on here, but I don't know if I have enough strength in my legs to jump up on here. Let's try it and see what happens. You can just do a regular burpee. All right, here we go. I'm gonna try. My legs are so fatigued. I did it. All right, that's our bonus burpee. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did this workout with me, please let me know what you thought of it and how you did, and I will see you all next time. Bye.